Absolutely.
Oh, that's a big fish.
That's a good one.
I can't believe how small they look when they hit. They all look so small.
Look
when
at
they
this
hit.
is a bruiser, brother. Oh, oh. Look at the black no color. Now don't reel any more in because you don't want those gnats to get for you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you are. Oh yes, you are. Oh yes, you are. Oh, it's a big broody dooders. Thick thickens. Oh, this is gonna be a thicker one.
I love it.
Oh, it's a cut. It's a hybrid, I bet. No. Oh yeah.
Look how fat he is. That's a hybrid?
This is gonna be a hybrid, yep.
Rainbow and
cut throat.
Nice fish.
Dude, excellent. Oh, good.
So we should kill him?
If you want to.
I don't want to.
Okay, let's leave it. So when we don't kill him,
I hate killing
I already
fish.
killed a moose.
Yeah, no, you killed enough today. Thousands of pounds of meat are coming out of this river.
Morgan killed a moose. Alright, you ready for the picture?
Yeah.
Turn the corner.